Hey yo, what's up? It's Clint Eastwood, Young CEO. Man, and I'm bringing to y'all some crazy news. You're not gonna believe this. If you was asleep, as far as this Drake Joe Budden beef, we seen that it kind of got put to rest, but it has not ended. Drake has done another chess move without making a record. You don't even have to record a record in 2016 to win. This is crazy. Drake is not taking no L's. So, as you know, during his tour, he's brought out, acts such as Rihanna, Kanye West, Cameron, Juelz Santana, a bunch of people, bunch of greats, shut down Madison Square Garden for 4 days. So what has he done to up the ante this time? For Drake's Detroit show, he brought out the one and only Eminem. That's a big capital L for your boy Joe Budden. Now, I don't know if there's a beef going on in Slaughterhouse. I don't know if Joe Budden has been dropped. I don't even think Joe Budden knows what's going on. So hopefully he sees this video. But we're gonna show a little bit of footage of the show, show a little bit of Eminem coming out. This is my first time watching it, so we're gonna see what's up. They're going crazy. He's snapping right now. Ain't that motherfucker for the way that you got me as it tastes. When I smack that taste out of your mouth for the bass, don't matter the chase the place. I'm Hannibal, let this just in case you think of the saving face. No safe to say, but I'm not through with this thing, so Drake. This is the ultimate move. There's nothing that Joe Budden can do now. Joe Budden has officially been put to rest. I don't want to hear no more debates about whether Joe Budden beat him lyrically. Joe Budden is just looking like a damn fool right now.
But I pity the fool.
Eminem, your boss, coming out on stage. And not only did he come out on stage, homie came from out the ground. Drake, you seriously are thinking like 30 steps ahead of everybody. You're grinning and laughing at damn Joe Budden in the picture. This is not fair. Meek Mill's interview, I feel sorry for Meek Mill, honestly. I don't even want to give him any more L's. Yo, Drake has the power right now, and I gotta say, it's like Tommy and Ghost in this picture, man. They're killing it. I don't know what's next. I'm gonna have to backtrack on something I say and that I believe. I honestly thought that Kendrick Lamar could take Drake. I think Kendrick is one of the best lyricists in the game, bar for bar. I think he's on a level. I think he's on Eminem's level. You know what I'm saying? But with moves like this, I don't think Kendrick is really ready. Like he has the fame, he has the bars, and he has the wit and intelligence, the connections, he got Dr. Dre behind him. I thought he could take him, but with moves like this, I have to say that your boy Drake is unbeatable, man. Your boy Drake is unbeatable. Not only is he taking out the hottest rappers in the game, the most street artists in the game, the most lyrical artists in the game, he's also doing the numbers. He's also #1 in the country. You don't think this is gonna make him sell more records? This is a sad day for Hot 97, a sad day for Joe Budden, and a sad day, unfortunately, for Meek Mill. So, once again, let me know what y'all think. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. It's your boy Clint Eastwood, Young CEO. We getting straight to the business.